Hello, welcome everyone. This video I'm going to show here how to equip best brain roots. Actually, if you really want to get equip best brain roots, you're gonna start to go to click on the right on this part. It's gonna be in this hand icon of the hand bite icon. You're gonna really going to click here on equip best, and then you're gonna click on equip best. It's gonna really give you this. So if we really want to get get best brain roots here. Actually, like, yeah, they just really equipped as that fast. Whatever. I really going to take the egg wishes. Let's say I got the egg, bro. Hey, you whale. Let's go. You get a best brain root here, bro. I really got the egg. I'm gonna leave, bro. Very nice. This is all, guys. And good luck. Prep.